Murakaza neza kuri Nene Rwanda nk'ibisanzwe n'umukobwa wanyu Nene. Mumeze mute? Mwaka mushyashya, mwaka mpyagala, mwaka mpyapya. Nizere ko mwatangiye umwaka neza. Nanjye nawutangiye neza. Nari narafashe akavakanse, buriya niyo mpamvu vlog ya kabiri nari narabemereye ntayibahaye vuba. Nari nkeneye nanjye kwicara nkaruhuka kuko kwezi kwa December kuba kurimo stress nyinshi no kwirukana he na he. Hari harimo na anniversary yanjye, naratravelinze gucelebrating akabirthday kanjye nyine. Iyo vlog nayo irahari iri kuza. Anyways, ubwo nyine mbahaye incamake z'ukuntu umwaka nawe utangiye n'ukuntu nawe ushoje. So mumbwire mwebwe ukuntu byabagendekeye, mwari mwaragiye he, ko nabonaga abantu mwarabuze, namwe mwagiye muri vakansi cyangwa mwari muri busy na famille, bimeze biti? Kuko nabonaga kabisa muhuze cyane. Anyways, ubwo twatangiranye umwaka no gushima Imana ko twese tujyume kumuka w'abazima. So kwatabizi nyine mvuga le 31 décembre itariki 10 itariki 31 z'ukwezi kwa 12. ubwo ko nukuboza siko gushyingo ukuboza ukuboza. Ubwo nyine mbivuze ko nabonye hari abantu mwabigize intambara ngo tuvuga ngo indimi ngo twazivangavanze ngo hehe, byabaye ikibazo gikomeye. mu mbwiza ukuri, abantu mwishajije ngo tuvanga indimi, ni iki kibarakaje muri ibyo? Ndagira ngo nyine munsobanurire, kuko icyangombwa nuko message itambuka, sibyo? Icyangombwa nuko ibyo mvuga mu byumva namwe ibyo muvuga nkabyumva. Hanyuma se abantu birakaza munsobanurire, ni ukubera ko mba mvuga indimi mutari kumva? Tujye twibuka ko twese ntabwo twaturutse ahantu hamwe, ntabwo twakuriye ahantu hamwe, buri muntu afite background zitandukanye. Rero njye nkunda freedom, njye nkunda kwi-exprima, kandi ururimi runje hafi nirwo ni exprimamo, kuko mu by'ukuri nta n'ururimi na rumwe nzi. Indimi nyinshi zivangavanze ku buryo nta rurimi na rumwe navuga ngo kajana ngo mvuge ibintu byose mu rurimi rumwe. Rero mujye munyihanganira rwose bavandimwe, inshuti, twihanganirane singo. Anyways, kandi komeza kurondogora murebe ukuntu Christmas Eve yagenze. Abantu mukunda kureba video mukareba isegonda rimwe mukahita murekera ngo muba mwacitswe. Ku bantu barangiza video zanjye barabizi ko ku musozo ariho haba hari ibintu biryoshye. Iyi video rero mukomeze muyirebe, harimo ahantu turi bukore candlelight, turi bucana amabuji, hariho spectacle, ukuntu byise spectacle, hari show nyine. Christmas Eve ni ibariwe 24 iba ku tariki 24 buri buke ari Christmas. Tujya kuri church, tuvuga ijambo ry'Imana, tukaririmba, ababyina bakabyina, abaraga service keza. So obviously ntago nari gukamera ibintu byose ko nanjye ndari nkeneye gusenga nka connectinga n'Imana, nari nkeneye ku enjoying the moment. Nagiye mbafatira uduce duto yabwo nadufatanyije kugira ngo mugire ide generale y'ukuntu Christmas yanjye yagenze n'ukuntu Christmas y'abantu benshi bari muri Canada yagenze. Hari abantu baspende Christmas ku kazi, hari abaspendinze mu rugo. Obviously ntago ngiye mpagararira abanyarwanda bose muri Canada, ariko ngewe maybe n'abantu benshi nuko nguko yabagendekeye. Rero enjoying the vlog, kandi umwaka mushyashya nanone. Umva, vlog ya anniversary, you're not ready for it. Yari vlog nziza iryoshye, next anniversary nziza. Ubwo mubonereho munyandikiye muri comment mubwire happy birthday, nkeneye urukundo rwanyu, mubwire munyifurize imigisha, munyifurize amafaranga, munyifurize iki kindi, munyifurize aba subscribers benshi, munyifurize kubona cya kiboro cya YouTube plate. Mbese rero mukomeze mukurikirane vlog, turi kumwe.
To those longing and desperate for hope, he is everything that you so desperately long for. Can you feel it? Just as he lit the way with a star for the wise men, he's guiding you too. He's right here today to engage you and to find you along the road. And no matter how long or weary or difficult the road may seem, he's here to meet you. So like Joseph, God knows your history and he holds your future. Are you willing to give up your best plans for him? Like Mary, be blessed to believe that the Lord will always keep his promises and do what he says. And finally, like the shepherds, be willing to step out of the ordinary and to go and see, to simply behold him. Behold him.
Grace in its truest form, and that truest form is Jesus. And so he's on display today. We're saying, behold him, because who he is so beautiful. And you know, we're gonna, in just a moment, we're gonna light the candles, and I hope you have a candle. And that's a really fun part. In fact, out of all that we do all through this Christmas season, I love everything that we do, but there's something special to me about lighting that candle and singing Silent Night. So I've got my lighter, and we're going to get started in just a minute. If you have a lighter, don't you dare. We're going to use this lighter, okay? Because we've got to make the picture. We get to make the picture today. And, you know, if I was going to say, you know, if I was going to distill down what the message is all about, it's Jesus' light to all of us. In fact, here's the way John says it. He says, in him, Jesus, was life. And that life was the light of mankind. And then he says this, it's the most powerful truth in the life of Jesus, in the Christmas story, and that's this, that light that came in Jesus shines in the darkness, and the darkness cannot overcome it. That's the kind of hope we get to live with because of Jesus. The kind of hope that is certain of the fact that there will always be light no matter how dark it is. Listen, I don't know what you've been going through in your life. I don't know your story, but I know my story. And the one thing I know is that in my darkest moments, the light of Jesus shines the brightest. And so if there's ever been a day, if there's ever been a season where we needed the light of Jesus, it was now. Maybe that's true in your life too. Maybe it's been one of the darkest seasons of your life. And here's what I'd like to invite you to do. I'd like you to join us in allowing and inviting the light of Christ into your life. You know, one of the first stanzas that was up here was being, you know, I want to say serenade, but that's not the right word. Accompanied by James, who's over here on the piano. Isn't James fantastic on the piano? And he sang "Away in a Manger," which is such a sweet, wonderful song that we know. It fits so beautifully with Christmas time. But here's your response.
about to say something like that. Yes? On Christmas Day? Okay, we're live now.
Sorry, that was so amazing.
Black man though.
December 24th. It's 5:30 p.m. We just finished our mass and we had fun. So we can't wait to show you how it was. We're going to shimmy in. We're going to neza. You're kuvuga mu Kirundi, mu Kinyarwanda. We already heard the English part. So no one see.
You guys, we decide, man.
Ejo ni Noheli, uno munsi twagiye gusenga Christmas Eve. Iryoshye, twabyinnye, turasenga, turaririmba. Tuzabereka ibyinshi muri video. Merry Christmas. Ready?
Yeah. Nyine babyita gute mu cyongereza?
You guys come on. Do it again. More? Yeah. No, maybe it's on the ground. Smash. Powder now. Oh my god. There you go.
Min danser.
What are we doing?
Grab your pieces. Hey, you let it bomba.
You can make it very.
Okay, I'm down. Okay? Okay. Wait, what did you say? Gillette. Comic strip.
Yeah.
That's a movie title. It's not a person. Oh, come on. It doesn't say, no, that's a movie title. It doesn't count, bro.